Assalamu alaikum and welcome everyone. Today I will show you how to extract data from PDF to a Excel file. First of all, you need an PDF file. I have an PDF file which has total 72 pages, and in the page number 7 there is an income statement table. If we want to research with the data or calculate the data or need to change some data or whatever you want to do, that you need to extract the data from PDF to Excel. How to do that? Let's start. First of all, open the Excel file. Now go to data tab. Here is the data tab. In data tab, in the leftmost corner you can see there is an option get data. Click on the drop down menu. First option is from file, then go to from PDF. If you are using Excel to, if you are using Excel 2021 version or Microsoft Excel 365 version, you can see that option from PDF, from file and from PDF. But if you are using earlier version than Microsoft Excel 2021, you cannot have that option from PDF. Okay, let's click on it. Select the PDF file and click on import. Now the Power Query Navigator will open. Wait for a while. The Power Query Navigator is opening. Now the table is fully loaded to the Excel Power Query Navigator. Here we can see the table number and the page number. If you can also use the search option like table number or page number. Our table is on the page number 7. If you search, but if you write in the search bar 7, you can have page number 7, table number 7. Every 7 is marked. This is also shortcut option. So we want this table number 4, which is on page 7, is selecting this data. Now you can see the table. Now we can extract that table to the Excel sheet. In the bottom corner we can see three options: load, transform data, cancel. If we click on load, the table will be loaded to the Excel file, as you can see in the Power Query navigation. But if you want to need some change, and if you want to do some changes, you have to click on transform data and you can cancel it. I need some changes, so I will click on transform data and wait for a while. The Power Query editor will be open now. Here, here is the row number 1 is the heading, should be header. So first I select the full row and click on the use first row as header. Click on this option. Now you can see, we can see that the first row is the now become the header of the table as it is in the PDF file. Now in the leftmost corner we can see close and load. Click on close and load, and again click on close and load. Wait for a while. The table is loading. Wait for some time. Now we can see that our table is fully loaded to the Excel file, and there is no error and no changes. If we use some third-party tools, third-party websites, the chances of error is high. But if we use the Power Query Editor and Power Query Navigator option, the chances of error is very less. Now you can edit, bold, underline, whatever you want to do that. You can experiment, analysis, anything you can do with that Excel table. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.